of you. So, my dear students, in previous lecture we completed the block number 9 as well as block test number 9 and worksheet. Okay. So today we study about the block number 10. Our block name is the storage of water and lesson number 1 needs to store water. So already I have one question. Tell me, why the need to store the water in our life? So we use the water for many purposes like the drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, in industry, for making electricity. There are the many uses of water. Okay. So already you know that the distribution of water in previous lesson we studied the distribution of water. So totally 100% in the 100% water, the 97% water is in the present in the oceans and seas. And this water is a salty water, and salty water is a bad for health. And we don't drink this water. Okay. So my dear students, as well as remaining 3% water, in that 3% water, the 2% water is in the form of the ice. And only 1% water is the usable water, only 1% water is a fresh water for the drinking. Okay. So and this water is a good for health. So my dear students, today we study about the need to store water, why the needs to store the water in our life. So see on the blackboard carefully. Water comes for a limited time in a tap. In some places, water comes from the taps for a limited time, and therefore people choose the second options like the bore, hand pump, okay, well. So water comes for a limited time in a taps. घरामध्ये जे नळ असतात तिथे काही ठिकाणी काही विशिष्ट वेळेसाठी पाणी येतं. दिवसातून 2 वेळा, एक टाइम, 1 तास असे येतं. पण like the Malkapur, in a Malkapur water supply for the 24 hours. म्हणजे कंटिन्युअसली, म्हणजे काय आहे तर जे आपलं मलकापूर सारखी स्थिती आहे, मलकापूर सारखी जी ठिकाणं आहेत तिथे काय 24 तास पाण्याची सोय आहे. Then water is needed at all times everywhere. Already you know that, already I tell, water is always used in school, water is always used for the making electricity, water is used in our domestic use, water is always used in offices. Means that the water is needed at all times everywhere. आपण कुठेही पाण्याचा वापर करत असतो, म्हणजे पाण्याशिवाय आपलं जीवन काय आहे, अर्ध आहे. So water is stored to make electricity. Already you know that with the help of dams we prepare the electricity with the water or with the help of water. आपण पाण्याच्या मदतीने काय करतो, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रिपेअर करत असतो. Then domestic animals need water like the sheep, cow, ox, buffalo. These animals always needs the water for the drinking, bathing. Okay. So my dear students, today we study about the storage of water. Block number 10, lesson number 1, need to store water. So all my dear students, please see in a book carefully and put your finger on each word and then we solving the question. First again we look at the figure number 1, figure number 2 and figure number 3 and tell me what do you see in this picture. So in the first figure we see that the animals drink the stored water like in a river. Okay. Then figure 2, stored water is used for the irrigation. For the irrigation always use the stored water. Then we need to store water for drinking. Third picture is about the we need to store water. Okay. So let's start. In a nature, water is stored in a ponds, lakes and rivers. Nature means निसर्ग. निसर्गामध्ये पाणी कुठे कुठे साठवून ठेवलं जातं? Ponds, lakes and rivers. Animals drink water from them and also bath in them. आता जे ॲनिमल्स होते जसं बफेलो असेल, ऑक्स असेल, जे डिफरंट ॲनिमल्स आहेत, हे ॲनिमल्स पाणी कुठून पितात, तर हे जे काही लेक्स असतील, पॉन्ड्स असतील, रिव्हर्स असतील, यामधलं पाणी ते पिण्यासाठीही वापरतात आणि बाथ म्हणजे आंघोळीसाठीही वापरतात. People use this naturally stored water for use at homes, in factories and make electricity. Okay? Electricity means that the light or a form of energy that makes fans and light works. Okay. So काही bottles आहेत. People use this naturally stored bottle for use at home, in a factories and to make electricity. मग हे लोक पाण्याचा वापर कुठे कुठे करतात? घरामध्ये करतात, फॅक्टरीमध्ये करतात, त्याचबरोबर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करण्यासाठीही करत असतात. Then naturally stored water in the rivers and lakes is also used for irrigation of crops. झाडांना सिंचनाच्या मदतीनं पाणी घालण्याच्या कामासाठी सुद्धा हे काय केलं जातं? जे स्टोर्ड वॉटर आहे, रिव्हर्स आहेत, या रिव्हर्सची मदत घेतली जाते. लाईक दिस फिगर नंबर 2. The figure number 2 is about the stored water is used for irrigation. Means that stored water is always used for the irrigation of crops. Okay. Then at home the main source of water is a tap water. घरामधला मेन सोर्स कोणता आहे पाण्याचा? तर आपल्या घरामध्ये असणारा नळ. आपल्याला पाणी कुठून मिळतं? नळातून मिळतं. Tap water supply may come only at a specific time of the day in some places. पण नळाचं जे पाणी आहे ते काही ठिकाणी काही ठराविक काळासाठीच येतं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल फॉर द 1 hour, for 2 hours, for 2 times in a day. Except for some places their water supply is continuous before the 24 hours. Okay. So in order to have water for use at all times we need to store water. आणि म्हणूनच काय आहे, अशा पद्धतीनं हे जे वॉटर आहे ते आपल्याला सर्व ठिकाणी उपयुक्त आहे आणि म्हणून हे वॉटर स्टोअर करण्याची गरज आहे. Are you understand this lesson? Need to store water? Yes. Okay. So my dear students, see the question 1. With your partner discuss and answer the questions. From where do we get water for drinking, bathing, washing and other needs? So we take a water from the ponds, lakes and rivers as well as tanks. If you need to store water, where will you store it for our daily needs? जर तुम्हाला पाण्याची गरज असेल तर तुम्ही डेली नीड्स साठी रोजच्या गरजा भागवण्यासाठी वॉटर कुठे स्टोअर कराल? सो इन अ ड्रम्स, इन अ पॉट्स. Okay. Then how is water stored in nature? So in nature water is stored in a ponds, lakes and rivers. Okay. So my dear students, already I told the answers of question 1, 2, 3. So you solve the question 4 and 5 and send me with the WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you.